Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alekia Kanojo, and in today's video, I'm going to show some hair hacks or some temporary hair fixes. So, if you like this video, you got to do one thing, which is just like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, and hope everybody is safe at their home. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Number one, loose hair ties. Who doesn't have loose rubber bands, I say? And we girls love wearing ponytail because it's a basic and easy hairstyle we can do for everyday purpose, and we do have these loose rubber bands and we keep wearing them, and when we wear them we end up looking like this, and we wear them 110 times and we look the same actually. So here I got a very simple trick. You just got to secure all your hair in the back, that could be high or low ponytail. You got to do a simple trick, okay? You just secure your hair with that loose rubber band, and for the next time when you want to secure that rubber band, just twist that rubber band twice or thrice and then secure it. Ta-da! It is ready. Your tight rubber band is going to be over there in its own place, though you shake your head or dance. Number two, oily scalp. We do have oily scalp, and it happens because of the air pollution, sunlight, sweat, or sometimes fourth or fifth day of your hair wash. And if you want to go outside all of a sudden, you can't really wash your hair and you don't have that much time, here is a trick. Just use some talcum powder or some loose powder. Just take a little bit of it and just dust the extra and just apply it on your scalp or just rub through your scalp. What it does is the powder absorbs the sweat or oil that it has, and your scalp is going to become dry, and you can make any hairstyles and just go outside. Make sure you don't put so much of your hair powder, I mean like your talcum powder or loose powder, because you don't want to become dadaji or dadiji. Just little amount of it, rub, then just leave it for some time and then comb through. You will have a flawless hair. Keep continuing the process until you are satisfied or until your scalp is sweat free, and once you're done, you're just ready to do any kind of hairstyles. Just comb it well, and yeah, you're ready. Number three, detangling your hair. Many girls detangle their hair this way. Okay, I admit even I have done this long back, but I have seen so much of pain and hair fall. So don't do this. Just twist your hair gently and then remove your hair knots from the bottom towards the top. So in this process, you're not directly stressing on your scalp, and the chances for hair fall is going to be reduced. And I know detangling is such a painful process. If you do this or if you follow this process, chances for hair fall and pain is going to be reduced for sure. Just give it a try. Number four, voluminous hair. Who doesn't love voluminous hair, I say? And whenever I wear a ponytail and it is this thin, and I feel like, oh god, what is happening? And I know many people have this problem. So here I got a trick. Just flip your hair and start combing your hair from the back. And while you do this process, make sure you're detangling your hair. Okay, be gentle while you do this process. This video is a fast forward, so yeah, be gentle and remove your knots carefully. Make sure you do not have any hair fall while you do this. And once you're satisfied with that detangling process, just flip your hair and just show your voluminous hair. Just look at it, how thin my hair was, and it's such an instant change. And look at my ponytail, how voluminous it looks. Like, isn't that cute? I mean, like, it's such an instant change, and I got this voluminous ponytail and I'm totally loving that. So here I got a simple hairstyle for you guys. This is my go-to hairstyle, I can say. With that voluminous hair, I'm just parting my hair and just going to clip it. Like literally, I didn't even comb my hair from the front. It's just clipping as shown. And did you just see that? I mean, like that puff thing going on the top. It is only because of this voluminous process. So I like this totally. Just do give it a try. Number 5, sturdy ponytail or a high ponytail. So we normally tie our hair like this and we end up looking like this, which is not that good looking. It's all Dila, your ponytail is Dila. So for that good looking ponytail, you got to take a tiny clip, and here is a trick. Just sectioning my hair from the ponytail, like 1/4 of it, and then in the middle when you part, there you're going to secure this tiny clip as shown. So yeah, there you're going to secure your tiny clip. Make sure your clip is in your hair color so that doesn't show much. So yeah, take black or brown and then just cover your hair with that clip, and there you go. Just look at it. Your high ponytail, I don't call it high ponytail, I can call it sturdy ponytail, is ready in minutes. Number 6, fixing baby hairs. I know from behind it's all sturdy ponytail and beautiful hairstyles. From the front, it's all baby hairs ka kamal. So yeah, just take a toothbrush and some Vaseline, just dab it, and now don't brush your teeth. Now you have to follow this trick. So just brush through those baby hair, like how you comb your hair with a comb. In the same way, you have to brush your baby hairs with the help of this toothbrush which has Vaseline, so you can find that instant result. And yeah, just do the same process. Just brush through your baby hairs all over. And I totally love this trick, and I did it many times and it looks so polished from the front. Number 6, fixing the empty space. Okay, fine, everybody have this problem of their scalp showing or less hair. So here I took an eyeshadow palette and choosing an eyeshadow color that is near to my hair color or hairline, and just taking a small amount of it with the brush and dabbing the excess and starting to fill the empty space. Okay, just applying it so that I pretend that I have hair, but you know the trick, right? So yeah, when you have beautiful hairstyles going on, it looks good. You don't have that empty spaces going on, and I really like this idea. Number 7, easy way to fix your hair tie. This is how normally we secure our hair with the rubber band. I mean, like, this is only for the stone or statement rubber bands. Just place your stone in the middle of your braid or any ponytail and make 2 rounds with that hair strap, like as shown. And okay, in the beginning it's going to be a little bit difficult, but yeah, practice makes perfect. So once you're done with the 2 rounds, open that rubber band and then put it around that stone. Hope you get that. So yeah, that is how you have to do, and that is easy, and you need not worry where that stone is going. Like, it's going to stay in its own place. And I like this trick. Hope you like it as well. Number 8, voluminous hair braid. So when you just braid your hair, it's all thin. So here is a trick. You just got to pull your hair from the braid for that voluminous look. So just keep pulling your hair gently. Just don't pull it like that. Just make sure you're doing it gently and start pulling it from the bottom and then go towards the top. And yeah, that's all. Just gently pulling your hair and it's going to look voluminous as you see here. And I totally love this, and I almost do to my fishtail or French tail. and that looks so beautiful. Hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.